Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us begin practice set 3.2 on textbook page number 16. Complete the following table. First one, 225 3 upon 2. You have to write in words both power of the root column and root of the power column. 225 is the base, 3 upon 2 is the index. Index are given in fractions. Index fraction on numerator is 3, index fraction on denominator is 2. You have to understand this way and you have to write it in both power of the root column and root of the power column in words. Index fraction on numerator 3 is power. Index fraction on denominator 2 is root. In first column, power of the root you have to write in words first. That is cube of square root of 225, because here it is given power of the root. Which number power and which number root you have to understand this way. I told you just now. Power comes on numerator fraction in index. Root comes on denominator fraction in index. Okay. So first one will come cube of square root of 225. Then you have to write root of the power column now in words. When you are writing root of the power column in words, take this in reverse. First will come root and then will come power. Square root of cube of 225. You have to write in reverse in root of the power column. Okay. Root and power you have to understand. Next, 45 4 upon 5. First write in words power of the root column. When you write in words power you have to write first, root you have to write afterwards in power of the root column. Index on numerator fraction 4 is power. Index on denominator fraction 5 is root. Index on denominator fraction always you have to write root. So we will write the answers. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Now you have to write in words root of the power column. Root of the power column will come reverse. That is fifth root of fourth power will come. Okay. Fifth root of fourth power of 45. Next, 81 6 upon 7. After teaching first and second sum, from third sum we will do directly. Power of the root column you have to write sixth power of seventh root of 81. Root of the power column you have to write seventh root of sixth power of 81. Next, 104 upon 10. Power of the root column you have to write fourth power of 10th root of 100. Root of the power column you have to write 10th root of fourth power of 100. Next, 21 3 upon 7. Power of the root column you have to write cube of 7th root of 21. Cube means power of 3. Index fraction on numerator. Root of the power column you have to write 7th root of cube of 21. Next question, write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. On question number 2, questions are given in words. You have to write in numbers. You already done question number first. Question first is given in numbers. We wrote it in words. So let's begin now question number 2. First one, square root of fifth power of 121. 121 number is base. Root always you have to take index fraction on denominator. Power always you have to take index fraction on numerator. You have to understand this. Okay, that is equal to 121 5 upon 2. Square root is given. Square means 2. Root I have taken index fraction on denominator. Okay, then fifth power is given. Power I have taken index fraction on numerator. So you have to understand this way. We will do other sums directly. Next, cube of fourth root of 324. Cube means power of 3. That is equal to 324 3 upon 4. Next, fifth root of square of 264. Here on question number 3, first one is given root and next is given power. Okay, on same question, question number 2, third one, first one is given root, index on denominator fraction will come root. Square means power of 2. First is given root, second one is given power on question second, third one. Okay, so answer will come 264 2 upon 5. Square means power of 2. Power of 2 will come index fraction on numerator. Fifth root will come index fraction on denominator. Okay. Next, cube root of 3. Here cube means power of 3. Cube root means 3 root. Okay, 3, all 3 outright number 3 only. Cube means power of 3. Cube root means 3 root. So write the answer. That is equal to 3 upon 3. If you understood this practice set, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.